Hello, and welcome to the College of Engineering Technology 2020 Summer Virtual College Meeting. I would like to take some time to tell you what's covered in this presentation. We'll be covering an introduction, structure of the college, getting involved in RSOs, tips on how to earn your degree, initial course placement information, and the next steps with the program and registration. First, I'd like to take a little time to introduce myself. My name is Angie Mischler. I'm the Director of Student Academic Affairs for the College of Engineering Technology at Ferris State University. I would like to provide you with my office location, my phone number, and my email address so you have a face, name, location, and way to contact me if you have any questions after today's presentation. I would like to start off with sharing with you the structure of the College of Engineering Technology. At Ferris State University, we have 5 undergraduate colleges. If you, as a student, are asked, which college do you belong to? You're going to say, I belong to the College of Engineering Technology. Some items for you to realize. The College of Engineering Technology is housed in 6 different buildings across the campus. The main administrative office is the dean's office. You can sort of assimilate it to what the high school office would be, in addition to having the guidance office attached at your high school. The dean's office is the main administrative location that handles everything from academic transcript entry to adding and dropping and withdrawing from classes to student record and student complaint information. Within our college, we have 4 schools. We have the School of Automotive and Heavy Equipment, the School of Built Environment, the School of Design and Manufacturing, and the School of Engineering and Computing Technologies. Another thing that you need to realize is within our college, we host a very large group of degrees and certificates. We have 17 bachelor's degrees, 11 associate's degrees, 8 minors, and 16 certificate programs. Another key point that's really important to understand is the College of Engineering Technology has many programs that are made to meet industry and business needs with hands-on application where we take theory and apply it to practice. I'd first like to talk about the School of Automotive and Heavy Equipment. This school is housed in the Automotive Center and the Heavy Equipment Center, which are on the far edge of the campus. This school houses the following programs: Automotive Service Technology Associate's Degree, Automotive Management Bachelor's Degree, the Automotive Engineering Technology Bachelor's Degree, Heavy Equipment Technology Associate's Degree, and Heavy Equipment Service Engineering Technology Bachelor's Degree. The next school I'd like to talk about is the School of Built Environment. The programs within this school are housed in the Granger Center and the first floor of the Swan Building. The programs include Architectural Technology Associate's Degree, Architecture and Sustainability Bachelor's Degree, Facilities Management Bachelor's Degree, Building Construction Technology Associate's Degree, Civil Engineering Technology Highway Emphasis Associate's Degree, Construction Management Bachelor's Degree, the HVAC Technology Associate's Degree, and the HVAC Engineering Technology and Energy Management Bachelor's Degree. The third school I'd like to share with you is the School of Engineering and Computing Technologies. The programs in this school are housed on the various floors of the 5-story Swan Building. Programs included are the Computer Network Systems Bachelor's Degree, the Industrial Electronics Technology Associate's Degree, the Electrical Electronics Engineering Technology Bachelor's Degree, the Mechanical Engineering Technology Associate's Degree, and the Mechanical Engineering Technology Bachelor's Degree, the Product Design Engineering Technology Bachelor's Degree, the Survey Technology Associate's Degree, and the Survey Engineering Bachelor's Degree. The final school I'd like to cover is the School of Design and Manufacturing. The programs in this school are housed in the National Elastomer Center and in the newly renovated Swan Annex. Programs include the Manufacturing Technology Associate's Degree, the Manufacturing Engineering Technology Bachelor's Degree, Plastics and Polymer Technology Associate's Degree, the Plastics Technology Engineering Bachelor's Degree, the Rubber Technology Engineering Bachelor's Degree, our Welding Technology Associate's Degree, and our Welding Technology Engineering Bachelor's Degree. The reason why I share all 4 of these colleges is to show you the depth, breadth, and location of the programs available through the College of Engineering Technology. Now that we've discussed the academic offerings within the College of Engineering Technology, we'd like to discuss the importance of being involved outside of the classroom. The College of Engineering Technology highly recommends that individuals get involved with our RSOs. What is an RSO? An RSO is a registered student organization. The College of Engineering Technology proudly hosts over 20 registered student organizations. We highly encourage getting involved because it allows you to use your course knowledge and grow outside of the classroom. In addition, you'll be meeting new people, networking, gaining leadership experiences, while all building your resume, having fun, and giving back to the community. We have everything from interdisciplinary RSOs, such as Human Power, Baja Racing, Women in Technology, to program-specific and professional organizations, like the American Welding Society. We highly encourage getting involved because these organizations not only can help you with everything I mentioned prior, but professional networking opportunities, scholarships. For more information, please go to Bulldog Connect in my FSU to learn more. I'd now like to take some time to give you some tips and hints on how to earn your degree in a timely fashion. In the College of Engineering Technology, you will be assigned an academic advisor within your program. Each semester, it's really important to meet with your academic advisor. In these meetings, you'll not only discuss what courses to take the next semester, but you can also discuss if you're having any issues, concerns, or questions about your current academic progress. In addition to meeting with your advisor, we have a roadmap established for each program. These roadmaps are available on your check sheet and also in My Degree. Speaking of My Degree is our online degree auditing software that you as a student have access to and can track your degree progression. My Degree will be taught in your FSUS 100 class, which is your orientation to college. In addition, most advisors within the College of Engineering Technology utilize this tool with their advising sessions. Also, we highly recommend from this day forward to be checking your Ferris email account daily. We specifically will send all communications, especially academic communications, to your Ferris email account. It's important to read that email every day, especially if you see an email come in from your program, the dean's office, or an advisor. Example, if you get an email from Angie Mishler at ferris.edu, I typically will only email students on 3 major things. 1, hey, I'm trying to reach out because I see that you're struggling in your classes, and I send out midterm warnings halfway through the semester. In that email, I'll let you know if there are action items or opportunities for you to help improve your GPA. 2, I may be reaching out if you're a tuition incentive program scholar or if there's scholarship opportunities. So who wouldn't like free money? Make sure you read your emails. 3, sometimes there has to be changes in academic schedules. So we may reach out to get in communication with you to help make the best choices for you in your academic planning. Another thing that first-time students need to be aware of is to stay on track to graduate with your associate's degree or your bachelor's degree. We want students taking on average and passing 15 credits each semester to make progression towards the degree. For an associate's degree, a minimum of 60 credits are required. Sometimes there's more, depending on the program requirements. So if you're taking 15 credits a semester, on average, you should be able to graduate within 4 semesters if you're taking everything in sequence and on time. For a bachelor's degree, that means 8 semesters, so 4 years. In addition, it's highly important for you to realize from day one that maintaining a GPA of a 2.0 or higher is important. A 2.0 is the minimum GPA required to be able to be awarded any type of certificate or degree from the university. In addition, you want to stay in good standing. A 2.0 is a C average or higher. In addition, and the last point, if I could pound this home, and everybody remembers one thing, at Ferris State University, if you're struggling or you need guidance, please ask. There are a ton of individuals around this campus that are here to assist you be successful and become a Bulldog for life. I'd like to take some time to discuss with you initial course placement. I know you're all anxiously waiting to know what courses you have to take, in what order, and how you go about doing this. To just give you a little bit of background, as the Director of Student Academic Affairs, I personally look at every single incoming student's academic files, and I make recommendations based on general education for the programs to be able to work into their program matrix. Some things for you to realize. I review everything that's been submitted into the admissions office during this process. Keep in mind, I make recommendations based on test scores, high school, and college performance information. You'll also want to note that it's really important when you have your academic advising session that if we do not have all of the updated information, we can't make the best recommendations. So if you have additional information that we did not get with your admission, it'd be highly recommended to try to have that sent in prior to your appointment. Examples of this are, if you just currently finished up dual enrollment, have your official transcript sent from that institution to us so we can get your transfer credits entered. If you took another SAT or ACT and you have different exam scores, make sure we have that. If you recently took the AP or IB exams, make sure that information is submitted prior to your admission, prior to your academic advising appointment, so we can work that in to make the best recommendations possible. Please note, we try our best to balance placing you in a good foundation to make sure that you're going to be successful here at the institution. In addition, we also look for opportunities for you to take the CLEP exam to save some money. For example, if you have an SAT score of an ERW over 600 or an ACT score English over 25, I will personally have put on your placement sheet, which your advisor will have, take CLEP exam, which that means is take the college level exam for placement for the college English composition. Based on your scores, you have extremely good odds that you will pass that exam, and then you will earn 3 credits for English 150. Who wouldn't like to pay $100, $130 to get out of a 3 credit hour class, which is almost $1,300? In addition, you need to realize that when we make recommendations for your placement, it's based on years of performance data and established guidelines for placement. What we have done is over the years, we have tracked students based on their test scores, based on their high school information, and also reviewed how well they did in the course to determine the placement. I bring this up because especially in our college, mathematics is key. Some of you may be up in pre-calculus or AP calculus, but your test scores may indicate you might have forgot everything back from algebra and trigonometry. So you may be placed in Math 115, intermediate algebra, or Math 120, trigonometry. Keep in mind, if new information has occurred and you need to have that sent to us to challenge placement, or we may be able to offer a placement test to challenge if you would like to be in a higher level math. The best thing is ask questions. We will see what we can do to determine or change placement. And we also want to make sure that we're not setting you up to not be successful. Math is a key foundation for engineering technology, and a lot of our courses build upon it. Now I'd like to cover our next steps. After reviewing the presentation today, you'll need to do the following. 1, there's a second video attached to the email that you received. That email will show you how to use the My Registration area of My FSU. It's highly important that you go in and get familiar with that system prior to your academic advising appointment. 2, also in the email, it will be a link that is specifically for your program to sign up for your one-on-one advising appointment coming up starting in June. 3, approximately a week prior to your appointment, you will receive a confirmation email and invite from your program faculty member who's been assigned to work with you with all the details about your registration appointment. 4, 2 days prior, you will receive a reminder email from signup.com about your upcoming appointment. And 5, make sure that if you receive any emails from your program or from the college asking information, that you respond in a timely fashion, because it may be information that we need to have an effective academic advising meeting. In addition, we feel it's very important to make sure that you have the following at your academic advising appointment. Please have a pencil and paper to write down information, because you and your advisor will be having discussions and information that you may want to write down to remember. In addition, if you have any updated transcripts, AP results that were not submitted, make sure you have them with you to be able to share with your advisor. Make sure you come with a willingness to ask questions. and have a discussion and be open to talk about your academic planning. And 4, if possible, access to a device to help you register for any additional classes you may need to add to your schedule. I'd like to end this presentation by saying thank you. Thank you for your interest in the College of Engineering Technology at Ferris State University. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about our college. I want you to know if you have any questions between now and the beginning of the school year, feel free to reach out. You can contact us at technology@ferris.edu. And we are super excited to see you on campus this fall. Go Bulldogs!